pleasure having you on this show, Salil. Thank you for taking out time for me. Let us get started. What are your top 3 learnings, Salil, to be able to start factory operations now after the lockdown?
To get connected with our people. Most of the employees had moved out, and it was important that we maintain our communication network. Hence, communication became the most important subject. During the lockdown, we constantly maintained touch with our people, those staying nearby and those who had moved out of the place. Apart from communication, it was also important that we start preparing once the lockdown is lifted, and hence a lot of exercise was to be done at the plant, on the shop floor, and even outside the plant. And the third important factor was to keep the morale and motivation of our employees high, and hence keep them updating about the daily activities and the kind of efforts which were being put in by the management.
What are your specific 3 pieces of advice, Salil, to plant heads across the country to manage current COVID situation effectively?
To manage the current situation effectively, and the advice to the plant heads, the top 3 advice would be communication, and communication at all levels to all the people, to all the employees, various stakeholders who are there in the system. The second piece of advice is to create infrastructure which are provisions made within the plant and outside the plant to help our employees. And the third would be to display great amount of patience in difficult times wherein we need to adjust under the revised order.
From your experience so far, Salil, what are 3 best practices around talent acquisition and talent engagement that you have found success with?
In my experience so far, with the best 3 practices around talent acquisition and engagement, we have seen success in terms of quality of recruitment, maintaining demography, and reaching out to people across the country. In terms of talent acquisition, in terms of employee engagement, the first and foremost, the most important factor which led to success was the involvement of family, the feeling of belongingness, and involving the family members in day-to-day activities. This has been a major success factor for our employees.
To your mind, Salil, what are the areas in HR where technology can help the most?
Where technology has helped HR, and it is continuously helping us even now. The first, I would name it as talent acquisition, because it helps in recruitment. It not only helps in recruitment, rather it also helps in the complete analysis of recruitment, the findings of the recruitment, and the final outcome. At the same time, technology is evolving and it is helping us in complete performance management exercise, which does not only relate to performance management as such, but including policy framework. And the third area where technology is playing a major role in the field of HR is capability development.
It was a pleasure interacting with you. Thank you for your time. See you again soon.